Fambulen, on a couché. This is the voice of Kuruma SLPP, the GLM Media Blog, in collaboration with Fofana Media Team. So today, the 7th June 2021, Fambulen will be promising us here for interview the managing director, Mr. Ba, we na in the head the project where it take place at Wellington, the factory about the bakery that come on in call. So today we don't get opportunity now for interview now. Una stay tuned.
Yeah, good afternoon, Sierra Leoneans. This is Fofana of the Fofana Media Team and Kuruma SLPP of the GLM Block. Today we did at the factory, the bakery factory. We must talk about bakery factory. We deal with the, what's your name, sir?
Mina Amadou Justice Ba Fambulen. I mean the general manager for Sunoco Sierra Leone.
Yeah, that's not the managing director for this particular project. We want to ask you about this project, where we are today for the social media. Waiting na the benefit of this project to come to Sierra Leoneans.
Okay, mi Fambulen, like I say again, Mina Amadou Justice Ba. I mean the general manager. This not to talk at all. Talk where you know they do am. Una self don't can see. I know say people they talk say this project now one of them project the way president don't turn the sword, you know, go ever be. No. That I go tell anybody where they listen to me right now. It happen this year. This one I don't can see, so una go see, and by the end of this year we go don't build the first industrial assembly line. What did they mean? It means say how you can follow somebody, for example, phone like this. You get plenty company the way they assemble and follow the phone. Similar so with motorcar. You get whether they make the tire, you get whether they make the engine, whether they make the domot, all that one day. So this na that kind of plant they do. And this you get plenty benefit for country the benefit where you ask so. Plenty benefit. Who that they first way no they eat bread. It had to see person in this world, when a human being or even in this country, where no they eat bread. So you where they eat bread, this project you the benefit, yeah. How? You the benefit because one with this project they get a training school. We get for the train with salon brother and sister them. How for assemble this particular bakery oven machine then, and also what's in the electrical components, what's in the mechanical parts, how for bring this part and this part together. It will also benefit you because we get lab get for the inside a bakery lab where go they test the quality of the flour where then they sell. Plenty time people they say, me I don't eat, but me belly all flour put breeze.
Exactly.
Because that flour way then at the market where plenty people they eat, you will find out say then they use tablets. But what would they bring now? You get inside this training school, you get for the test the quality of the flour for make sure say the flour not get plenty gas, so that it will be we eat them, you will enjoy, you will gladly for the food we eat. For you when a baker man, this particular industry means say bakery work they can get respect, because when they train you they would use certificates. So we do not say the bread they will they eat with people they will the mass, not to that the mass and sweat, no, that thing they don't done, they can't done. Because this project definitely they can bring a change in that sector. They can make, if they tell you how many bakers will get in this country, if you check minimum it will pass 2,000 direct. You where they sell bread, you know self no say you can't begin get bread they will fine. Where the bread fine, where they sell and the customer then go like. So directly bakers then will benefit. You where they sell, you go sell and you go get more money. Then this country will attract people then where they buy their machine there. Now the first kind project this now West Africa. So this now good news, yeah, for the country Fambulen and all Cantona, thanks to Sunoco. Sunoco we see you when Alaji Mamadou Saliu Jallo. Now you get confidence now this country where you decide for can put this kind of project now. And the project na plenty money. If you not like, if that man not be like this country, he no go invest that kind of money. Una don't see, minister don't see. Una tell Fambulen, this not to how them people they call and tapalapa bread. I go bill and 1 grain they know. This not real investment. We go help for change this country in food sector. Not to just bread no more. They were where they cake, where they bake them birthday cake. It's not good news for you because you know say a lot of technology they come into that business day. You could able to produce more cake if you get 3-4 people and get for like produce for the cake in 1 day. When this industry don't start, you go able to do that one. You go able to take plenty order and solve that.
Yeah, thank you very much. That we don't listen to the Mr. Ba, the MD. So we just farm go and waiting at the cost of this project.
This project, I will tell Fambulen say na around $20 million. And purely for help the people.
So any provision there for Sierra Leonean brothers for sending overseas go study this particular
absolutely factory. The one that this na salon business, na ya would they bill. Na ya would they bill and for Sierra Leone would they bill. Me we na the #1 man na the company, me na salon man. So if you don't get a business like this kind where the #1 man self na salon man, so no worry but say the money na they left here. You need go no side. Then kind project and I go develop the country where the money self the left na ya.
Anything for come for local products?
Well, it's an agriculture project.
Yeah.
Because who said they make food? Now agriculture business. We they look, we they studies then the way they go on, we they tell me say you can use cassava for produce flour. Those studies then for now I cannot say exactly that they will get for do. But the studies then they go on. And if the studies then show real possibilities, why not? Why not? Why will not go do one? Because it makes sense for like get raw materials in the country and produce them. It go even a benefit for we. Because when you supply chain, you get for import all you raw material come in case trouble be like we see how COVID happened. So it stop. Yes. So if you wait there for use cassava, can we say if you wait there for use them for like produce flour, that's not good news. But for now, I cannot say because the study is being carried upon. When that study day matured and show real sign of progress, it will be good news. Then it will transform the cassava industry. Like how they see. Today they use cassava to produce gari. Where possible? It not be. So we go look forward to that kind of thing there as well. By end of the year, UNASEF will come back and can see this project. It will change even Wellington as the outlook, the beauty of Wellington. We cannot say when I say Wellington industrial area, where somebody go they drive past now, you see this, you go not say this is a real factory on the high road in the Siam. The people in the community self don't begin benefits because even the borehole today what we do now we give them, we supply give them water now. Then they a big benefit for this for the people of this country. So this now we own project, now salon project. Let the people understand and let them show support for them. Let them know say this not to that kind of project where you go look at normal you say this not the project where government they talk about. But this one a private company we call Sonoko. But yes, plenty thank you to the government because we really get confidence in the democracy of this country, in the president when the people of this country elect. This confidence now make we very happy for invest na Sierra Leone. This is not just one of the projects there, and we get plenty other projects there we will get for invest na Sierra Leone.
Thank you very much. That now the managing director, Mr. Ba. We don't give we a comprehensive overview of this particular project. Where the president will launch sometime in 2019. Now we don't kind of decide to don't see everything they go on aggressively, the work they go on, and this particular project they forget a modern training center, an elegant showroom, a bread laboratory unit, a modern assembly unit, a car park. Now very superb project. Thank you very much, Mr. Ba. God bless you. Hope we will